What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock and the overall market. Guys, we just hit a new all-time high for the SoFi stock in the company's history, guys. $29.50. But what I want you guys to look at the SoFi chart, check the daily, look at the price movement, look at the compounding effect that is beginning to show as the stock moves higher. We just moved up $1.40. Before your eyes, sooner than later, this stock is going to begin to move $2 per day when we get these 4 to 5% days. $2 moves per day. Remember back when the SoFi stock was trading at $6? Now we're going to be moving $2 a day. You're starting to see the compound effect. My price target for 2025 is $40. A lot of people were very conservative at the beginning of the year. $20, 25, 28. Some people out there, $30. Guys, we're 50 cents away from the $30 range. I'm telling you right now, with the catalysts that are coming our way, I believe that SoFi management was waiting to drop those catalysts because they needed to confirm that rate cuts were official. Rate cuts actually are coming in hotter than they expected, with potentially 3 rate cuts compared to SoFi management's guidance of 2 rate cuts. So I'm telling you right now, if we get some bullish news around a crypto launch, around level 1 options, or around a loan platform business deal, there is a high probability that SoFi is going to clear $40 inside of 2025. Remember, the max bonus compensation package is $45 that we need to hit by June 2026. So to come within $5 of that range, 6 months prior, SoFi is on great track to meet all of those requirements. Guys, I'm telling you right now, we also have a high probability that we're going to get into the S&P 500 in December. They're probably going to add 3 companies in. We're on the top 10 list right now. 3 companies are going to get in. There's a high probability that SoFi is also going to get in. This stock is going to change people's lives all across the world. As of right now, filming this video, the close of today, everybody on the planet is green on SoFi. Nobody is red. We are at all-time highs. Nobody has lost money. It doesn't matter when you bought, but I'm telling you right now, there is going to be 1 million new investors over the next 1 to 2 years that are going to be opening positions at the $40 range, the $50 range. This is the time to accumulate if you're going to have a longer term mindset, 1, 2, 5 years out, because SoFi is about to start compounding out of this world in Q3 and Q4 this year with these accelerated rate cuts heading their way. And guys, I'm telling you right now, we are also diversifying the portfolio out further. We are adding 11 growth stocks right now inside of my VIP Patreon group. You guys probably won't believe this, but if anybody in the world wants to challenge this, I have a $10,000 bet for you. We can do it on FaceTime. We're going to put your money in an escrow. We are beating 99% of hedge funds on Wall Street with 183% returns year to date. 183% returns. Well, actually, that was yesterday. We're probably up even higher after that with the moves today. But I'm telling you guys right now, we are diversifying the portfolio out further, adding 11 growth stocks. If you want to see those stocks I'm buying, click the link, sign up for the VIP Patreon. You will not regret it. We are getting everyone's money right. We're making moves every single day, depending on where the market is at and what opportunities the market brings us. We got a great video for you today. Let's get into it. And here it is, guys. This was yesterday at the close, okay? Updated growth portfolio 2025 year-to-date performance. This is my Twitter handle, Kyle Goat, 183% returns. We have ARK right here at 46% returns. QQQ at 16% and SPY at 12%. I mean, guys, everybody's talking about the hottest bull market ever right now, but remember, we had that tariff crash in April, and if you look at the QQQ and the SPY, I mean, these aren't doing all that for year to date. I mean, they're up pretty solid. When I'm looking at this, guys, I see so much opportunity to run these next 12 to 18 months. SoFi, of course, is going to be my largest position inside of the portfolio. Buying these high-quality growth stocks on a dip is allowing me to beat 99% of hedge funds on Wall Street. I'm telling you guys right now, you need to get inside of the VIP Patreon group. We are adding a ton of names that are trading at a discount, and this is how you're going to beat these massive indexes where, 99% of hedge funds on Wall Street are all positioned in. This is another reason why I'm extremely bullish in the market right now. Take a look at the annual IPOs. We all know that 2021 was the bubble where everything popped. Look at 2021 IPOs. 1,035 IPOs, and just look at where the market is at right now for 2024 and 2025. 225 IPOs for 2024, and we're seeing a little bit of a pickup for 2025 at 250 IPOs. But does this look like bubble territory to you guys? I mean, we're just starting to see a lot of high quality IPOs hit the market. This doesn't look anything like 2021. Look at the indexes, guys. We're absolutely destroying the indexes inside of my VIP Patreon group. Those indexes are up 15, 12%. We're up 183%. Like I've been telling people, the S&P 500, I believe 400 companies inside of the S&P 500 are garbage. At my age right now, I cannot take that risk of buying an index like that. I need to be picking the exact companies inside of my portfolio. I want to build, my portfolio holdings out to 20, 30 names. But these companies that I'm seeing inside of the S&P 500, it is not worth it. Those bad companies are going to hold your returns down. And that's why you see the Mag 7, have 50% returns, while the overall S&P 500 is like 15% returns. So you need to do your due diligence and understand where you are at in your life right now, what type of risk you can take. But where I'm at in my life right now, guys, I need the highest growth possible, trading at a discount. Now, once again, guys, my 2025 price target is $40. I have to stick to that because I've done the due diligence behind the scenes. I'm timing all these headlines. I know the massive catalysts are coming, guys. Once again, I said management cannot trust anyone right now. The rate cuts need to be confirmed. This is a couple days ago, and boom, we officially got the first rate cut with a potential 2 rate cuts coming after that. Then we get the 5 catalysts. These are the 5 catalysts. They're going to take you over $40 and much higher. Number 1 is level 1 options. This is going to allow more people to sign up for the SoFi Invest platform because they're going to have more opportunities to trade how they like. Multiple loan platform deals are coming. SoFi is saving a massive deal announcement for some good PR. I think we're going to get a $5 billion deal. Crypto trading launch. This is massive. This is the one I think is coming very, very soon. Crypto trading is going to be back on the SoFi Invest platform. Member growth is going to skyrocket. Cash codes full rollout, and then an AI acquisition announcement. These are the massive catalysts that I think are heading our way, and you're potentially going to get one of those by the end of Q3 in the next 2 weeks. We're going to have a massive catalyst coming our way, and remember, look at the stock price today. $1.40 movement. We're moving $1.40. Before you know it, guys, we're going to be moving $2 pretty soon. And here's the update on today. SoFi just closed at all-time highs, $29.50. Look at that, guys, right there. $1.40. 240,000 call options just closed in the money. They cannot hold this thing back right now because it is still short 8.7%. It may not seem like a lot, but that's still 100 million shares sold short right now. A lot of these other names that have taken off only have about 2 to 3% short. $40 plus is what I'm predicting with the crypto launch, guys. I'm telling you right now, the crypto launch is going to be a massive catalyst. People are going to be talking about, buying crypto on SoFi, checking out the fees. This is going to be a massive catalyst for member growth. And here's the truth, guys. SoFi hasn't given us anything in about 2 months. I believe that's because they were waiting on the rate cuts to be confirmed. And guess what? The stock is still moon launching after the offering. If they actually give us something serious like a crypto launch, I'm telling you, this thing is going to $40, guys. PR has been ice cold. Take a look. The offering on 29th, more details on the offering on the 29th, Lightspark partner on the August 19th, August 25th, tech conference, September 3rd, the AI ETF, and then September 4th, Josh Allen. We haven't got anything in 2 months. They had their PR announcement on crypto almost 3 months ago. Something massive is coming. SoFi management, they see the stock and they want to capitalize on this price action. I'm telling you right now, don't be surprised if we pop 15% out of nowhere. That's going to be a $4.50 price action, okay? That'll take us to $34 if we get a 15% pop next week. Once again, guys, I told you we had nasty resistance at that $28. And I said right here, 100,000 retail investors all across the world will begin to open up new positions at the $40 per share range when it happens. Let that sink in. We are in price discovery right now. The best things you can do right now is 2 things. Either buy or hold. There's nothing wrong with holding. You don't have to buy. But if you're trying to build out your position for the next 2 to 5 years, buying is a great idea if you have a longer term, mindset. The QQQ is up 16%. The SPY is up 12%. The market is not as hot as people are saying when you take into account the entire indexes, okay? Because we had that massive correction in April with the tariffs. And look at the IPOs. The IPOs are still, 80% down from where they were at in 2021, over 1,000. We're only at about 250. The market is about to see further rate cuts, and you're going to see growth start to accelerate, okay? SoFi is going to be one of those companies heading into the S&P 500 potentially inside of December. And I want to be inside of that stock full position before they get included into the S&P 500, guys, because the stock is going to pop even more. More institutions all across the world are going to be buying this thing. So once again, I'm extremely confident in my $40 stock price for 2025. And I also think this stock is going to hit $100 next year inside of 2026. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to continue to keep you updated on the SoFi stock and all the breaking news around the overall market. Once again, guys, inside of my VIP Patreon, we are buying 11 other growth stocks. We got another 5 stocks on the watch list. We're entering some crypto options trades. We got some long-term leap options on SoFi if you're trying to get into those. So many different things we're doing, and this is what is allowing us to beat 99% of hedge funds on Wall Street. You see the returns. If anybody would like to challenge me, you need to put up $10,000. We can get on FaceTime, put the money in an escrow, and you guys can see the returns for yourself, and I'm going to take your money. That is how we're rolling right now. We are investing in the fastest growing companies in the world at a discount, and that is how you beat the market, guys. Once again, my name is Kyle. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment. Don't forget to sign up for the VIP Patreon. Hope you guys have a great day.